Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we have done around India in our previous chapter, we have done about different monuments. So children, today we will start about as you can see various home appliances, or we'll talk about those machines which make our work easier. For example, if you do not have washing machine, then whom is going to wash your clothes? You or you yourself or your mother. We are going to use our own power, our human power to wash our clothes. So children, nowadays in your day-to-day life we have different home appliances which makes our life quite easier. We don't need to think about that from where we are going to get cold water if we have a summer season, from where we are going to get ice if we have a too hot weather. Then children, today we will talk about all these electrical appliances. Appliances means the things which run on electricity that are called electrical appliances. In this we can take refrigerator also, air conditioner also, washing machine also. So we will talk about picture by picture. Now children, first we have our machine which makes our life quite easier, that is refrigerator. As you can see in the picture, picture of refrigerator. Actually in refrigerator we are getting cold water and ice also, as well as if I'll keep all the fruits and vegetable outside, then it can destroy, it can be get eaten by other animals also. For example, if rabbit, if rat or some other things will be there, so it will be rotten again. So to preserve them properly we required refrigerator. We can that refrigerator keep our fruits and vegetable fresh and healthy for us. Lot of more importance of this refrigerator is there. Once we have cooked or that make the milk hot, after that you can keep that milk, once the temperature will be came at room temperature, you can keep it in the refrigerator. And a lot of things we will have. For example, if somebody will get injured and we required an ice pack, so we are getting ice from refrigerator. Now we'll come to our second appliance or machine which make our life quite easier, that is air condition. Now this kind of a AC, you can see on the picture, this kind of a AC is window AC, which earlier we will see this kind of a AC. In fact, right now also we will find it out with air conditioner, but nowadays split ACs are quite common. Split AC is there where the one unit is put it inside the room and one unit is kept outside the room. But this is most commonly window AC, which earlier we were using it, and nowadays also we were using it. Now what is the concept of window AC? Window AC will take air from our room and then make it cooler and then came it back in the room. So that why we were using air conditioner, because when we have quite hot weather, then at that time we use air conditioner to make our room temperature at minimum that temperature, so that we can easily sleep or take rest in our room. Because nowadays we have this kind of a cement and concrete structure of home. So if we have to maintain that room temperature, we must use this kind of a thing. Some of them were using that cooler also, and A fan also, fan, cooler are going to use everyone, but this air conditioner are not quite common. Might of you will not have it also. So children, these are quite important home appliances. Now we'll see few more. Now you can see first picture is of coffee maker. It is written on it also, coffee maker, and washing machine. Now washing machine, as I told you, washing machine is an appliance which used to wash your clothes. If we do not have this washing machine, or if we do not have any kind of a machine, we have semi, we have fully, and this automatic also, front load also, and coffee maker, sandwich maker, toast maker, so many appliances we will have at a home. So washing machine is basically used for washing the clothes, and that is quite common in today's world. Fine, every one of you will have this washing machine at your home. Nowadays these things are a necessity. These things we are not keep it at our home only for just showpiece. These things are a necessity. We cannot survive without, we cannot live without these things. Now coffee maker is most commonly used by the person, those who were living in South Indian country, because they often drink coffee. So this coffee maker is quite often over there. Now see few more, two more things I have brought. Light bulb, so you all are aware of it. Light bulb or electricity bulb or LED tube light, these things you are quite aware of it. Now one more picture you can see on the screen, that is fluorescent lamp. Now what do you mean by fluorescent lamp? Yes, in this we are containing batteries inside, and when we'll push the button, then they will work like a torch. So that is fluorescent lamp. Fine. So these are few of the home appliances or machines which make our daily life easier. See children, these all things are a necessity in nowadays. These, if we don't have light bulb, from where we are going to get light in the room? And sometime we were carrying this fluorescent lamp also when we are moving outside, or when we are going on traveling or some outer area, then we are carrying this fluorescent lamp also. Now again, this refrigerator, you can see how many things you can keep it inside the refrigerator. Fruit, juices, curd, and lot many things were there. Jam, cake, vegetable, curd, honey, lot many things you can kept inside the refrigerator. So by this picture you can see that this machines are quite important for us in today's life. So children, let's study about much more machines from your book, and let's find it out few facts about those machines also. So let's get started. So children, as I was talking about different equipment which we were using, so among them we will have this also, electrical devices used at home. As you can see this picture, it contains ceiling fan. Ceiling fan means, which is quite common electrical device which you will get it at your home. Ceiling fan, and another one you can see, fan heater. Now what is the other name of this fan heater is, that is warmer also, sometimes you are called blower also, you are called them blower also. So ceiling fan, why it is called ceiling fan? Because it is attached to our ceiling or roof of a room. So that's why it is called ceiling fan, and it is commonly used by each and every house. Now we will come to fan heaters. Fan heaters means a fan is there inside that heater, and by moving that fan they are giving hot air in the room. So most commonly we were using these fan heater in winter season, when we have a cold weather, then we were using these fan heater. Different kind of a fan heater or blower, warmer you have seen in your home also, in your friend's house also, in some relatives house also. So different heaters and blowers we will see. So now next I'm going to take one more picture here. Another important device which you find it out in today's days at your home, that is toaster. Now toaster, what is the use of toaster? See, I'm taking all the examples, all the devices which we were using in today's day and how they are important. See, toaster we were using for making toast, bread, toast, for our breakfast, mainly for our breakfast. So this toaster, we have a coil and that coil is got heated and make our bread toast. And bread toast we were oftenly eat in our breakfast along with the butter or some omelette or some jam or some other spreads also. Now come to next device, that is microwave oven. Now microwave oven, what this microwave oven do? Now this microwave oven is used for baking, for cooking our food also, and for heating our food also, reheating our food also. Once the food is cooked and kept together, and if you want to eat it after 2 to 3 hours, then you can reheat that in that microwave oven. So these devices nowadays, these kind of electrical devices are quite important. Children now will take few more example of these dishes, these appliances. See this. Again, laptop, speakers, desktop. Now you can see that laptop, we were doing classes on laptop only, using desktop only, and speakers, our home theater systems were there at your home for watching movies on your television. Again, television is another important part of our life, another important machine which make a part in our lives. So here we can see one more electronic device, that is laptop and home theater system. Laptop is used as a substitute of desktop. See, desktop is quite heavy, we cannot carry everywhere, but laptop is quite, according to the name, it is laptop, which can be kept in your laptop. Fine, lap means गोदी में रख सकते हैं हम उसको. तो laptop is a quite portable device, we can carry it from one place to another place, and it is quite important because nowadays we are keeping lot of our data in that laptop only. Now home theater system are kept at our home for watching movies, for hearing songs, and lot many things were there. We are connecting these home theater system with our television, and then we can see different movies and all at our home only. And the good thing about this home theater system is that the sound clarity will be there. Sound system is very good. So children, these are few more devices which we have seen now. So children, now we'll move to our book, and in our book we will find it out. See, few more devices we have. This, if you want, DVD player, that also you all have seen, DVD player, and then mobile phones, so but obvious that you all have seen. So children, now we'll move to our content from book, that what are the machines which are given in your book and how they will make your life easier. So let's start that. So children, let's start. Just now you all have seen in the PPT different machines that make your life easier. So right now I will give you few clues and based on that clue you will give answers to my clues, that which machine is this and how does it work. So let's start with our first clue, that is it helps us in cleaning our house. First one is it helps us in cleaning our houses. Now which machine cleaning our houses? Now which machine is this? Which machine helps you to clean your houses? Yes, correct. The answer is vacuum cleaner. The answer is vacuum cleaner. See, how does vacuum cleaner work? It will create a vacuum. Now what is vacuum? A space where we don't have air, and that with the help of that vacuum cleaner will suck all the dust or that unwanted particles, these kind of things which were lying on our floor or in mat or in sofas or in chairs. It will take it out by using vacuum cleaner. So let's do the next one. Next clue is it helps us in heating the food. Now that I have told you just now in the PPT or in the pictures also I have shown you, it helps us in heating of food. As I told you that device is used for baking also, for cooking food also, as well as that device is used for heating our food also. That is microwave oven. Now this device is microwave oven. Fine. Now we'll come to, sometime it is called microwave oven also, sometime it is called microwave also. So both are correct only. So now we'll start with let's start with our third one. It provides hot water. Now hot water provided by which machine? It provides hot water. Now in which season we required hot water? We required hot water in winter season, and which machine provide us hot water? That is geyser. Geyser. Geyser provide us hot water to take bath, and for drinking also they provide us hot water. For cooking food also they provide us hot water. Hot water we can use in different activities. It is not necessary that we are only supposed to use that hot water for bathing only. So 3 machines we have done. Let's do next clue. It helps us in cleaning clothes. Now number 4. Which machine helps you to clean clothes? It helps us to clean clothes. Now which machine helps you to clean clothes? And this machine is one of the most important machine in nowadays, that is washing machine. Washing machine. Why it is called washing machine? Because in this machine we are washing different things like clothes, and we can wash quilts also, we can wash bed sheets also, different things. So that is why it is called washing machine. In this machine we are washing. Fine. So now children, we have done first 4 very important machines which have been given by using clue has been given in your book. By using that clue we have find out the answer of these. So let's see children. Again, number 1 is it helps us in cleaning our houses. See, now you will ask that vacuum cleaner we were not using at our home. Most of us we were not using, but if we will go in foreign countries, so they often use these vacuum cleaner because they have that kind of a surface at their home that they cannot do that cleaning without vacuum cleaner. So this vacuum cleaner is quite often in foreign countries, but here in our country nowadays many of the people were using that vacuum cleaner. It is quite common nowadays, and picture you have seen in that only. Now it helps us in cleaning our houses. See, this can do cleaning over the curtains also. If you will move this vacuum cleaner over the curtain, it will suck the dust and whatever undue particles were there, it will suck. Number 2 is it helps us in heating of food. Now as I told you, microwaves are used for baking also, for cooking different dishes also. Along with that, that is used, most commonly it is used for heating food only. So now what is that? Microwave oven. Sometime it is called microwave oven, and you can write only microwave also, then also it will be totally correct. If you will write in the answer only microwave, then also the answer will be correct. Now we'll come to third, it provides hot water. Now which electrical equipment or electrical appliance which provide you hot water? That is geyser. Geyser, we have geyser at our home, in washroom, or some of you will be having that geyser in the kitchen also for getting hot water at the time of winter. So it provides you hot water for different purposes, for cooking food also, for making different things also. So it provides you hot water. Now number 4, it helps us to clean clothes. That is quite important. One of the important machines, that is washing machine. Nowadays different kinds of washing machines were there, and hopefully each one of you are having this washing machine at your home, and it is very important machine nowadays. We were using washing machine to clean our clothes, and it is used by each and every one. So it is not a new thing nowadays. These machines are quite common in nowadays. Let's see, in the picture also we have seen we were using toaster and all those things. So nowadays these things are quite common. These machines are quite common. We were using these machines nowadays a lot. So now I'll read out the next clue, that is number 5. It helps in keeping. Number 5 is it helps in keeping what? Keeping the food and drinks cold. Now which machine will help you to keep your food and drinks cold? That is, yes, correct, that is refrigerator. Now we'll come to this also, why it is called refrigerator only. Fine. Sometime it is called fridge also. Few of you have heard about it, that many of you are called it fridge also. Fine. That is a common name of refrigerator, but the exact name of this machine which helps in keeping the food and drinks cold, that is refrigerator. And inside this refrigerator we have a process of refrigeration That's why it is called refrigeration. Now what is that process? Refrigeration. By using CO2 gas, they make the temperature completely up to that particular temperature which you require to keep your food and drinks cold. They'll maintain the temperature inside it. That's why only when you will open that refrigerator, you will find it out that lot of air और ऐसे करके बादल की तरह ऐसा कुछ निकल रहा है. What is that? That is only a outcome of refrigeration process which is going on inside the refrigerator. रेफ्रिजरेटर के अंदर जो गैस होती है वो गैस से क्या होता है, वो टेम्परेचर को वो मेंटेन रखते हैं. एंड जब भी आप ओपन करते हो एंड देन दैट एयर इज कमिंग आउट. सो दिस इज क्वाइट कॉमन. व्हाट इज द अदर पर्पस ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेटर? रेफ्रिजरेटर हेल्प्स टू कीप आवर fruits and vegetables healthy and fresh. Now what happened if you will kept your that all these fruits and vegetable outside? So what happened ki due to some insects or due to this hot weather that will got rotten, खराब हो जाती हैं. तो रेफ्रिजरेटर का बेसिक use क्या है? that it will keep the things fresh. Now we'll come to next and last machine, that is it helps us in making chutneys and shakes. Chutneys and shakes. Fine. Now tell me, which machines help you to make chutneys and shakes? Which machines helps you to make chutneys and shakes? Correct. The answer is mixer, grinder. Mixer and grinder. Grinder means in which you can grind anything. Grinder means in which you can grind means उसमें हम पीस सकते हैं. तो पीसने को वाले को बोलते हैं, we called it grinder. And mixer is used to make shakes like banana shakes, a pineapple shake, strawberry shakes and mango shake. Different shakes you can make using mixer. And in grinder you can make different spices, chutneys and all. So these are our machines which we have done today. Many important machines today we have seen. So let's revise it once again. Number 5, what is that? It helps in keeping the food and drinks cold. So which machine helps to keep it cold? That is refrigerator. Now number 6 is it helps us in making chutneys and shakes. Now chutneys are made in grinder and shakes are made in mixer. So commonly the name of the machine is mixer grinder. So children, today we have learned about different machines which nowadays we very commonly using it. Number 1 we have done, it helps us in cleaning our house, that is vacuum cleaner. Number 2, it helps us in heating the food, that is microwave. Sometime it is called microwave oven also. And it helps us to cook different dishes also. In baking also microwave. Number 3, it provides hot water. Which machine provides you hot water? That is geyser. Geyser provides you hot water. Now number 4, it helps us in cleaning clothes. Quite important machine nowadays, that is washing machine. Each one of you are having this washing machine at your home and it helps us in cleaning our clothes. Now number 5, it helps in keeping the food and drinks cold. It helps in keeping the food and drinks cold. Fine. It helps us to keep our food and drinks cold, that is refrigerator. And it also keeps our fruits and vegetable fresh and healthy. Now number 6, it helps us in making chutneys and shakes, that is mixer grinder. Mixer grinders are used for making chutneys and shakes. Mixer is basically, the basic concept of mixer is mixing anything. Whatever you will put it inside it and that they will mix it. So that is mixer will do mixing, and grinder, what the grinder will do, grinder will crush anything. If you have to make chutney, then you will use grinder. If you have to make spices, anything, so you will use that grinder. So children, today we have learned a lot about different kind of machines which are quite helpful for you all in your day-to-day life. I hope you all have liked the session of today. So here we are going to finish our class. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.